My hood pins in place. I got my timing set on 40. I'm happy now. Took me a while, but I did it. I got my radiator radiating. I got the New Balance on. I can't see nothing. Ooh. Let me get this. There we go. See that assault? Straight off eBay, baby. Yup. That's all I do. I got one of the window frames built. Let me walk around the car. My leg stand I'm gonna use for my windows. So I got one of the frames built. I just did that a few minutes ago. I got my sheet on my mock-up. This was an old one that I had. What else? Oh, I might get it to start for y'all. Let me see. She might not. She might be cold. Been a while since I ran. Probably about 45, 30 minutes. Ooh. Just crank it up. Just feel it a couple times. I'll turn the ignition on first. Ooh. Let's see what she do. Yeah, she cold. Oh. Must be real cold. That's my second attempt at this video. Your boy was having technical difficulties a few seconds ago. My nitrous solenoid for some reason got hung up, so yeah, I was letting raw fuel dump into the charge pipe, which was making it flood out. That's the reason why I cut off when I hit the gas. But yeah, that's about it. About it. Wish I could have kept filming, but it's hard to hold this phone and film and do whatever. Oh yeah, I got both pipes running to my catch can. I might got it mounted crazy, but hey, it's up there. That's my solenoid right there. It's messed up right now. I guess I gotta buy another one, rebuild this one, or shit, do something. I don't know. That's the reason why I also got water from everywhere on the E85, but it goes away after it warms up. Yeah, that's about it. That's about all I got. I don't think I can think of. I gotta put my seats in. I think I'm gonna use 2 seats. Well, I might just use one. I don't know. It's a race car. It don't matter. Ain't like nobody gonna ride to the line with me anyway. Yeah, got my cheap eBay gauges in there going. Hit the switch before I kill my battery. But yep, I'm done for the night, ladies and gentlemen.